In a quiet forest, two little birds began their story. It was a peaceful autumn morning. Two little birds lived together in a tall tree. They sang every day and collected food for the cold days ahead. Their world was small, but full of love and warmth. Sometimes they flew above the forest, watching the golden leaves fall slowly from the trees. They didn't know it then, but those were the happiest days of their lives. One morning the sky turned grey. The wind grew stronger and the air became cold. Snow started to fall, covering the forest in white silence. The birds stayed close together in their nest, trying to keep each other warm. But one night a strong storm came. The wind broke branches and shook the trees. Their small nest couldn't hold. One of the birds fell and disappeared into the darkness. When morning came, one bird woke up alone. It searched everywhere, in the trees, in the snow, in the cold air. But the other bird was gone. Days passed. The bird waited in the same place, watching the sky every morning, hoping to see a familiar shape. Sometimes it wanted to fly away, but something inside whispered, "Wait." So it stayed, even when the cold wind hurt its wings. After many long weeks, the snow began to melt, and soft sunlight touched the trees again. One morning, the bird heard a sound, a weak, gentle song coming from the nearby branches. It turned its head, and there it was. The other bird had returned, tired, hurt, but alive. They looked at each other in silence for a moment, and then sang together, their voices soft and full of love. True love is not about being together every day. It's about waiting, believing, and never giving up, even when everything feels cold and lost. Sometimes the one who stays loves the strongest. End of story. Sometimes even the smallest hearts teach us the greatest lessons. Keep believing in love, kindness, and hope. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.